Hey, what's going on, guys? Feth here, and today I have a package I've been waiting for a couple of days. It is a new butterfly knife. This is my old one, but since sharp ones are illegal in California, well, that's what I've heard. This one has a dull blade, but this one's different because it doesn't have a blade or even a dull blade. So yeah, this is basically an unboxing video, except this isn't a box, it's a package. So yeah, let's get right into it. Bubble wrap. Okay, so here it is. It says Ben Chade. Pretty nice box. I'm gonna open it up. Here it is. Oh my gosh. Oh, look, it comes with an Allen wrench. Wow, that is beautiful. I wonder if this is one of the ones that has a button to open it. Because this isn't opening. Wow, it's pretty good. It's very quiet. Listen to that, it's like no sound at all. It takes a lot of effort just to close this. But you know, it looks good, it's pretty, and overall, I like it. You know, for a butterfly knife that's a comb, this actually isn't that bad. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.